you ever feel like you've been learning English for years?
But still freeze when someone asks, "How are you today?"
You're not lazy. You're not bad at languages. You're just learning the wrong way. And today, we'll fix that fast.
Welcome to the English Learning Podcast.
Let's start with a hard truth. You don't need more grammar.
Yep, you need more real English.
Like the stuff you hear in movies, podcasts, or at the grocery store.
But most learners, they're stuck in textbooks from 1985.
Hello, I am fine. And you?
Stop memorizing. Start understanding.
Tip 1. Learn in phrases, not words. Say it with us.
How's it going? I'm not sure. Let me think about it. Think of how babies learn. Do they sit with a grammar book and memorize rules? Of course not.
No, they listen quietly for months, soaking in real conversations, not a single grammar quiz in sight. And then, boom, they start talking naturally.
Adults try to speak first, with zero listening, zero input, zero exposure. That's like jumping into a pool without checking if there's water.
That's like trying to cook without knowing the recipe. You've got the ingredients, but no clue what you're making. No wonder it feels frustrating.
Tip number 2, listen at least 30 minutes a day. Not just once a week, make it part of your daily routine. Your ears need to live in English.
Music, podcasts, this one, TV shows, YouTube. Choose what you enjoy, not just what's educational. Even gossip videos help.
Don't understand every word? Good. That's not a problem. It's progress. That's how real learning starts.
But just listening isn't enough. You can't absorb a language by being silent forever. At some point, you've got to speak.
You also need to talk, out loud, every day, to yourself, to your cat, to your coffee mug. Doesn't matter who, just speak.
Repeat after me. No pressure, no perfection, just progress. Say it with confidence, even if it feels silly.
I'm working on my English. It's getting better every day. And I'm proud of how far I've come. Tip number 3, record your voice. Yes, it might sound awkward at first, but it helps you hear your mistakes. You'll catch things you never noticed while speaking, and slowly your pronunciation gets sharper. It's a game changer, seriously.
Or shadow a native speaker. Play a short clip, pause it, and repeat exactly what they say. Match their tone, rhythm, even their emotion. It's not just practice, it's real training. And it builds muscle memory faster than grammar drills. You'll start sounding more natural without even trying.
It feels weird at first, like you're talking to your screen for no reason. But weird is good, because it means growth. Fluency starts outside your comfort zone. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Just speak, and magic happens.
What if I make a mistake? That thought scares so many learners. But here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. It's part of the process, not a problem. If you're not making mistakes, you're not trying hard enough. So don't run from them, learn from them.
You will, and that's a good thing. Mistakes are the fastest teachers. Every slip helps you grow. Think of them as stepping stones, not roadblocks. The more you mess up, the faster you improve. Seriously, embrace them. They mean you're actually doing it.
Every fluent speaker once said, "I go'd to school." Yep, even the ones who sound perfect today. Nobody starts flawless. Not me, not Sarah, not anyone. Language learning is messy, and that's totally okay. The important part is that you keep showing up and trying. Fluency is built on funny mistakes like that one.
We've all been there. Even native speakers mess up their own language sometimes. You'll hear things like, "he don't know," or "I seen it," and that's from people born into English. So don't hold yourself to some perfect standard. Just focus on progress. Little by little, mistake by mistake, you get better. Tip number 4, make mistakes loudly. Don't keep your English locked inside your head. Say it out loud, even if you mess up every word. That's how real learning begins. Whispering won't help you grow, but bold mistakes will. When you speak up, your brain gets feedback. You start to notice what sounds right and what doesn't. And guess what? Nobody's judging you as hard as you think. Most people are impressed you're even trying. Fluency comes from fearless practice, not silent perfection. So say it wrong, laugh it off, and try again. Be loud, be wrong, and keep going.
And smile while doing it. Language is connection, not perfection. People won't remember your grammar. They'll remember your warmth. When you smile, you invite others in. It shows confidence, even if you're still learning. Plus, a smile makes your voice sound more natural. Ever notice how friendly people sound smarter too? That's not an accident. It's energy. English isn't just rules. It's rhythm, emotion, personality. So speak with heart, not just your head. Don't aim to impress. Aim to connect. That's where the real magic happens.
Think about this. If you never talk, you'll never improve. You can memorize 1,000 words, but if you don't use them, they fade. Speaking is where everything comes together. Grammar, vocabulary, confidence. And yes, it will feel awkward at first. You might stutter, forget words, or freeze up. But that's normal. It means your brain is working. The only real mistake is staying silent. Talk to yourself, your dog, your reflection, anything. Just get the words out. Practice messy, not perfect. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. So stop waiting to be ready. Just talk.
Confidence comes from action, not from waiting. You can't sit around hoping to feel ready one day. That feeling only comes after you try. Take a small step, then another, and watch your confidence grow. Waiting only feeds fear. So take action, even if your voice shakes. 5 minutes a day beats 2 hours once a week. It's not about cramming, it's about consistency. Your brain learns better in small, steady doses. Just like brushing your teeth, it works best when it's a habit. You don't skip brushing all week and then do it for 2 hours on Sunday, right? The same goes for English. Short, daily practice keeps the language fresh in your mind. It builds momentum and makes speaking feel normal. Even listening to a podcast while making tea counts. Don't wait for the perfect time to study. Just start small and stay steady. That's where real progress lives.
English should be like brushing your teeth. You don't overthink it, you just do it every day. It's a habit, not a huge event. You don't skip it for weeks and then brush for 2 hours. That would be weird and kinda gross. Same with English. Make it part of your routine. A little speaking here, a little listening there. It doesn't have to be perfect or long. Just keep it consistent. The more automatic it feels, the better you get. Daily effort beats rare effort every time.
Tip #5. Make it part of your life. Don't treat English like a school subject you dread. Mix it into your hobbies. Watch shows, listen to music, follow fun accounts. Learn with things you actually enjoy. If it feels boring, you won't stick with it. So make it fun, or even a little silly.
Label things in your house. Change your phone language. Make English surround you. Even your fridge can teach you vocabulary. Every little label adds up over time. You'll start thinking in English without even trying. Just don't blame us if you forget how to say microwave in your own language.
Watch Netflix with English subtitles. It's one of the easiest and laziest ways to learn. You get to chill and improve your listening skills. Start by reading along, then slowly try without them. You'll pick up real phrases people actually use. Just don't blame us when you start dreaming in English.
Text your friends in English. Even one emoji counts. Seriously, start small. Just a "Hi, how are you?" or a funny meme reply. It's not about writing essays, it's about building comfort. Everyday texting turns into real practice without pressure. The more you use it, the more natural it feels.
So, stop chasing perfection. Start chasing practice. You're not taking an exam, you're learning to live in a language. Mistakes won't kill you, they'll teach you. Speak up, mess up, and smile through it. The goal isn't to sound perfect, it's to connect. And sometimes, connection starts with a funny mistake.
If you learned one helpful thing today, share it with someone else. Teaching helps you remember even more. Plus, you'll sound super smart doing it. Don't keep good tips to yourself. Spread the knowledge. You never know who else needs that one small push. And hey, it makes learning way more fun.
Share this episode with a friend. Someone who says, I want to learn English, but never knows where to start. Be the reason they finally take that first step. Learning is better when it's shared. And let's be honest, everything's more fun with a buddy, especially when you both laugh at the same mistakes.
And subscribe to the English Learning Podcast for more fun, real-world English. We keep it simple, useful, and just a little silly. You'll laugh, learn, and actually use what you hear. No boring grammar lectures, we promise. Just practical tips you can use today. And maybe a few awkward jokes too.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling. Bye.
The website